Good morning, I'm Faye Thompson. This morning we're going to do a meatball sub casserole. This morning we're going to make a meatball sub casserole, and it's a real simple recipe, and I did not make the meatballs. You could make them yourself if you want to. They're made out of beef and pork, but you can buy them in most any local market. These came from Walmart. It says meatballs with beef and pork. But the first thing we have to do is take a 16-ounce package of garlic bread. We're gonna take this and put it in an oven of 425 degrees and cook it for about 10 to 12 minutes. Okay, while the bread is baking, we're going to take 40 meatballs and put them in this pot, and then we're going to put a spaghetti sauce over them. This is a ragu, and there's 2 bottles of it. There's 24 ounces to a bottle, so there's 2 of them here we're going to put over these meatballs. We're going to put this on a low heat, and we're going to simmer it for about 20 minutes. Now we have sprayed our casserole. It's a 9 by 13 inch casserole, and we broke our garlic bread up in small pieces and bite-sized pieces and put it in the casserole. And then we took our meatballs that we had cooked for 20 minutes with the spaghetti sauce and poured it over the bread. Now we're ready. What we did now with the bread was cooked on a 425 degree oven, and when we took it out, we changed it. Got a preheat oven now of 350 degrees, and we're going to cook that for 20 minutes. I'm going to put some cheese on top of this. So this is a mozzarella cheese, and we're going to spread it on the top. It's not hard to shred cheese. I don't know, I guess I get lazy sometimes and just buy it already shredded. Some of it I do and some I don't. We have 3 cups of mozzarella cheese on top of this, and we're going to put this in a 350 degree oven, and we're going to cook it from 20 to 25 minutes. So then now our meatball sub casserole is finished. It's a very pretty dish. And I hope you try this, and I hope you enjoy it as much as we do. And we thank you for watching. See you on another video.